Hi there. In this session, we are going to create this model by using AutoCAD 2D. So first of all, open a new file. So once you open, so check for the unit, whatever we are having here. So currently, as you can see, the drawing, it is in mm. So the unit what we have set is also mm only. So just change the precision up to 2 decimal point. So most of the dimension will get 2 decimal points only. So then you can click OK, then you can start working on your drawing. So first of all, we will start from one origin point, then with respect to that we will go after. So let us start from this bigger tire over here. So go for circle. So then as you can see, it is diameter they have given, so 30. So use circle diameter option. So just place it somewhere and then you can start creating your sketches. So currently now this option it is off, so that's why we are not seeing anything on the screen. So let me turn on this dynamic input, so then you can start creating. So this is 30, so let us give just 30 over there, then press enter. So then you can zoom in near to the area exactly. So next to that we have one more circle that is have radius 67.5. so go for center radius, then just click on the same center and then give the radius. So then we have to mention the outer. So outer one, as you can notice, that is 105, same center, radius option only. So select on the same center point and give the radius as 105. So then we will create this tire structure. So as you can see, it is having a width of 16, and between the top one and the bottom one there is a difference are there. Okay, so we need to make that as well. So the center is lying at 90, so that they have given, but they haven't mentioned this height basically. Okay, so maybe what we can do, we can take exactly that 105 minus 90, so that is the center. So another half we will take it exactly with respect to this one. So let us go again for a circle, then click on the same center point. So as you can notice, 90 it's coming exactly on the middle. Okay, so 90 and 105 we are having 15 mm difference. So we need to make a new circle which is having radius of 75, so that is the end. Okay, not it is of 90 only, so I think I mistaken it, so create it with 90 only. 90 is not up to the center, 90 is the end. Okay, so this one. So then you can start creating with line. So maybe you can make this as center line, so just for reference purpose maybe you can keep it. Then as you can see 18 mm, so that means offset of 9 on both the side. So go for offset command, so then press 9 mm as the offset distance. So then both the direction give that one. So then you have to create only this portion. So the another whatever it is there, we will use trim command to trim it out. So just tr and then press enter. So we need only this area. So the other areas, whatever it is there, we need to trim it out. So this we don't need it, this we don't need it, like the same, whatever we don't need it, just trim it out. So after that, I think these two lines you can just simply select and delete instead of going for trim command. So next we need to make a array over here. So it's like a polar array, so total need to come, but we don't know the count, so just count it down, then create it with an polar array. So total it's 24 items, so go for polar array, then select the object. So we just need these two lines as to come, or you can keep it like this is okay, or what you can do is you can trim this as well. So we can do polar array of this one. So go for polar array now, select the objects, enter, then with respect to this center point choose it, then come over here. So we need total 24 items, so total 360 degree need to come. So then press enter. So it has been created, but we don't need this middle areas and all, so those you have to trim only. So choose trim command and trim the. Okay, so now we finished the complete over here. So then step by step, as I said, we will go further. So as you can see, we have one more arc kind, so that is having a radius of 120. So let us use same circle only for now, or you can go with arc as well, but a circle if you create, it will be easy for us. So 120 is given. So then we need to go further, as I mentioned. So from here to this line, okay, so they have given a distance of 111.6. so either you can use offset or you can use normal line to create it. So both are okay, so whichever you want to make, you can make it. So let me just use line 1 only. So 111.6, enter. Then on the same, as you can notice, it is going along this direction with 60 mm, then upward 20. So I kept this polar tracking on and with the default angle 90 like that, or maybe you can keep it with 30 also, so that easily you can create lines, or if you want you can keep this ortho mode as well. Okay, so whichever it is okay with you, you can turn on that one. So like this way, step by step, give the dimensions and then start creating your lines. So then I guess it is going to come exactly on the straight. So maybe let me take a reference like this, then I'll close this one. Okay, so then this inside we don't need it, so let us trim that over here. Maybe you can convert this lines into center line, just you can come to layers, you can do that, or you can use properties. So now I'm just using properties to convert this normal line type into center line. So I just came inside the line type manager. So maybe I need this one, so load it. So once it is loaded, you can select the line, then you can apply. So click over here, so it's the selected line type we have got, so choose it and apply it. So now we have created that one. So then as you can notice, after that we have the other lines as well. So let us do it from there itself. So go to line again, so exactly from that endpoint, so straight it is going to make 20. Then after that it has to go straight upward like 155, fine. Then from there along this direction 200, then it has to come like 60 degree from here. Okay, but now it is showing 120. Okay, so as you know, this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is going to be like 120 it is showing. So this is what we will call it as like triangular angles and all. So similar angle it will come over there. So keep the line along this angle. So after that, let me show the dimension, so where it will come exactly 60 degree. So 60 mm over here, enter. Then after that I think it has to go just 10 mm only, so I think we can do that with just offset command. So just use offset of 10. So this one, all the lines, so whatever we need it in offset. Okay, so we need it to connect it. Okay, so either you can just manually pull it and connect it, or let me use this fillet command, but I will keep the radius as 0, or you can use chamfer also, so that if you use this one, so without fillet, but fillet radius will be 0, so no issue, so it will get connected. So you don't need to spend more time on connecting these things. Okay, so after that we need a line below, but as you can see it is coming like that. So maybe let me close it from here. So 10 plus 15, so total it will be 25. So after the 25 I need to bring this down up to 75 mm, so keep that one. Then after that it is going 25 mm. So all are just lines only, so when you are creating, just create it in this manner. Okay, so then they have given 37.54 and all, but let us leave it, because instead of just giving dimension they marked it here, but we don't need that one, so let us leave it here. Maybe we will end up to here. Okay, so as you can see, this dimension they haven't mentioned, so we just created a line and already we have a circle over there. So where it is ending, we are connecting up to there, so the other we need to trim it. So like the same way we will do it on the other side as well, so you don't need to create a line now. Okay, so this is done, so this side is okay now. So maybe let us start connecting on the opposite direction. So again we are in line command. Okay, so from this start creating it 40 mm, then downward 25, then along this direction 75. Okay, so where exactly the 75 is coming, as you can see, it is coming straight downward of 130. So what is that 130 means? Another circle it is going to create on the center line. So let me create it for now, but let me maybe extend it like this. So then I will convert this as a center line. So use match properties, so use the shortcut MA and then press enter, select the source and then keep on the destination, so it will look like a center line. So then from exactly where the intersection is happening, we need to start create. So this is 45, enter. Then from there again it is coming down. Okay, so let us create it, okay, or let us leave it like this. So where the circle are intersecting, let us connect up to there. So on this center we are going to create a circle. So first let us start from the inner one. So center diameter, so choose exactly on the center and give the radius is diameter is 20. Then we are having outer one, that is diameter 70, so give that one. So that is there, so we have mentioned this. So then we have 45, then we have 60. So create all the circles. So one is 45, another one is 60. So exactly how we did the tire 2 over there, the same way we are doing this. So as you can see, this is 6 mm width is there. So already we have a center line, so you can use offset command of 3 on both the side, so this side and this side. So then maybe you can convert this into normal line, because we need here as a normal line. So then same thing, the other unnecessary whatever we don't require, you can trim it out. So this things, this circle as well. Okay, so and we need to trim this as well. Then you can delete the extra lines. So once it is done, so we have got the shape. So now we need to do same kind of array. So before array, count the number of items you require. So here also it is going to be same 24. So let us just select polar array and then select the object, then choose the center, then mention the number of items. So okay, I think I made a small mistake here. So we have given offset of 3, but it is offset of 6 because the width is 12. So let me just quickly change that and convert that into normal line type, then trim it. So let me use match properties to convert this into normal, then delete the extra lines. So then maybe you can go to polar array, select the objects, then choose the center, then define the number of items as 24. So then press escape and trim the inner areas or inner lines which we don't need it. Okay, so now we created the tire portion. So then we need to make the outer one. As you can notice, that is radius 80. So same center, so define it 80. So now you can just connect the lines. So from here to exactly up to the intersection, you can leave it the same way from here to the intersection. As you can notice, it is showing the same value. It is showing, but you don't need to create that line at the before stages because we don't need to make that. Okay, so next we need to make this shape over here. So they have given exactly from here 31 point some distance they have given. So either if you want, you can create it exactly over there, okay, or if you want to make it exactly on the middle of the line, that is also okay. So because they have given exactly on the middle of the line, so what we will do, we will create the arc, okay, then we will move it and place it. So as you can notice, the radius is 15. So let us create that. Then you can use normal line command to connect it from the quadrant to quadrant, but you can notice it is not showing the quadrant. So you can come to this object snap. So check whether the quadrant has been checked on. So most of the cases you will check all. So in some cases maybe we don't need that snap has to happen, so we will uncheck it, but now we need all. So now you can go and it will show definitely the quadrant. So once it is created, you can trim this, then you can use move tool, M, enter, select the object, then choose this end and bring it and place it exactly on the middle. Okay, So like that we have connected now. So almost the front is completed. So this is done. Let us come this area, then we will go for the steering part. So when you come here, so same thing, go to line command again. Then it is starting from here. So 10 plus 10, so it is 20. Enter. Then there also they have given this distance. Okay. But I think I have trimmed that arc previously. So let me keep the arc. So either you can use extend command, that is also okay, like this, or you can create a new arc, that is also fine. So now you can use a line command. So exactly from this where it is intersecting up to that we need to keep it. So here it is, intersection is not showing clearly. So let me just create the line, and then I will trim out without with the necessary area, whatever I needed I will keep it, the unnecessary I will trim it out. So now we got the body. So now we need to come for steering part. So for steering, so you can just go to line command. So as you can notice, it is starting on the middle. So maybe let us create the middle, then we will use offset command. So let us just create a line exactly from the middle, and it is going along a direction of 30, but that angle is 30, so that means this angle will come 60 degree. So then it has to go up to 120. So then after that we need it to be perpendicular. So that distance total they have given 60, so that means one side it will come 30. Then maybe this is going to be 10, and this is going to be 60 again, and this is going to be 10, and let us connect up to the middle, but you have to remove the middle as a center line. We need to create an offset. So total you can see thickness has been 10, so that means offset we need to take it 5 on both the direction. So use offset command, then give the offset distance as 5 on both the direction, then extend the bottom and then trim this area. So this is done. So next to that is just use same center line. Maybe let me create one more line over here just for reference purpose. Then let me use match property to convert these two lines into center line. So this is the complete drawing. What you are seeing on this we have created. So most of them are lines and arcs and circles only, and arrays we have used. So now let me just show the dimension, that angle only, okay, so that you will get a complete idea. So they have given an angle between, maybe for example I'm selecting this line and this line, so it will show you the angle like this, okay, but they have given 60 degree between this one. So for that what you need to do is, maybe you can create a line, just a small line for reference purpose, then you can go and create the angle. So as you can notice, it is exactly the 60 degree, okay. So like this way you can plot the dimension for all. So then maybe if you want to use some colors or something, you can go with hatching and you can apply some colors on the drawing whatever we are having. So practice it with the dimensions whatever it is here. So any doubts, anything it is there, comment below. Follow for more upcoming videos. Thank you.